Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how to delete or close your Cash App account on your device. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to follow the instruction as guided. So then, without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the home icon located right at the bottom. And after you tap on the icon on the other interface, you'll be directed to banking. And now right on this page, you have to tap on cash out in the top right corner. And after that, you have to tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. And once you tap on the profile icon on the other interface, you have to tap on support, which is right in between. And on the other interface, you'll be directed to the support center. And once you're on this page, you will have a multiple option. So then you have to tap on something else, which is right at the bottom. So after you tap on something else, once again, you'll have a list of options. So then you have to tap on account settings, which is right in between. So once you tap on account settings on the other interface, once again you'll have a list of options. So then you'll have to tap on the option that is close my Cash App account, and as soon as you tap on it on the other interface, there is a statement, and if you're sure about deleting your account, tap on confirm, and then your account will be deleted. So that is how you can close or delete your Cash App account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.